I stopped switching between 12 different apps just to use AI, and now I'm finishing my work 3x faster. Look, I used to have ChatGPT open in one tab, Grammarly in another, and 3 different translation tools scattered across my browser. My workflow was a mess. Then I found Triplo AI. This thing runs on every single app I use. Mac, Windows, my iPhone, Android tablet, doesn't matter. No integrations, no plugins, no browser switching. I just highlight any text and hit one hotkey. Boom, my AI assistant appears instantly. Yesterday, I rewrote 5 emails in Gmail, translated a document in Notion, and generated content ideas in Slack, all without leaving those apps. Triplo gives me 300 plus ready-made smart prompts, but I can create custom ones too. I built a knowledge base with my company docs, so it gives me context-aware responses. Plus, it supports over 230 languages and 100 different AI models. My productivity skyrocketed because I'm not constantly context switching anymore. Stop juggling apps. Get Triplo AI and watch your workflow transform.